Bamboo, Part 4. Cows grazing on fresh bamboo shoot gaze at 11-year-old me lying at bamboo root in my sanctuary. Dried bamboo leaves my bed, my head buried in a book. The little prodigy my great-aunt Emily sarcastically calls me when I refuse to help her dust or cook, polish silver, or learn to use a hook to fish up thread or wool in her tortures called crochet and knitting. To keep her from having further fit in my idle presence, at my earliest convenience I take off over the picket fence across the pasture to lie in that dense bamboo thicket. All who pass by call out to remind me that duppies inhabit bamboo root, and if I don't take care, those spirits will cause my head to twist around, my tongue to tie, my eyes to shoot up straight out of my head, as bamboos do from the ground. Still, as often as possible, I perversely choose to lie and court fright on dry leaves that rustle, under bamboo joints that creak, troubled only by the thought that Great-Aunt Emily would experience such delight if a duppy or the cat actually got my tongue. "A nice kind of heathen we're raising," she says, talking over my head to some invisible presence up there, for such weighty matters to me cannot be directly communicated. And only because I said, "Church makes me sneeze," which is true. In view of her great age and to avoid further outrage, I bite my tongue and wisely don't say that if she would only leave me alone, one day in Bamboo Cathedral I might encounter even the Holy Spirit, for there I find I can breathe in, without sneezing, a naturally fresh and liberating air.